Just wanted to shoot a quick video. This is beginning of Hurricane Ian. It just started. It's Tuesday, what, 27th. It's supposed to go full course on tomorrow noon, somewhere around that. But it's already started to rain, and the rain and wind they're starting to pick up. So this is the house that we got it ready to go. We were about to go live, but apparently we're gonna have a little bit of setback, which is fine. However, the only worry I got is this little boy up in here. It's a giant live oak that is leaning. I don't know how it's gonna hold through the storm. Well, this tree is about 100 years old. It's been staying here for a long time. Hopefully this one won't be different. However, they say this is first in a century in terms of strength. I got one more that I'm worried about. It's this one. This boy is also leaning towards the guest house and the main house. It's covering the driveway. So I took the car inside already. The car is here, so we're gonna be fine at least. But I'm expecting everywhere around here to be full with water. And then this area, we had another giant oak tree that fell last week. Kind of happy that it fell already, but and then we're gonna replace it with some other trees here that we purchased, but we haven't planted them yet. This is the tree. Where is it? Here. The tree that fell. It was about 90 feet. Now this one, crossing fingers that it will hold up. There is mandatory evacuation in zone A, zone B, and zone C. I'm in zone A. Some of my neighbors already evacuating. They jumped in their RVs and left. They chickened out. And now I'm here with my dog. My wife is out in Boston, which kind of makes me happy, so I don't have to worry about her. She's safe. And I'm crossing my fingers this is gonna pass without any major damage. We'll know by tomorrow morning. We won't know it by today, which is Tuesday. And yeah, just send some positive thoughts. I'll see you guys in the other side. This is day 2 of the hurricane. Hurricane Ian. Way too crazier than possibly I could have imagined. You go out and it feels like everything is gonna fall above your head. Everything's still holding up strong. It's 60 miles per hour wind, but it's gonna get to 90 miles later afternoon, and it will pass by midnight. But it is insane. It's beyond what I could imagine. Gonna go inside. They say too late to move for shelters. There are 4,000 power outages. I still have power, but it's getting way too crazy, I guess. I'm not leaving. today is the day after Hurricane Ian. This is the destruction of it. It blasted through Southwest Florida for 12 hours. Started 9 o'clock all the way to about 10 p.m. Slowed down. Currently there is no power, there is no water, there is no internet. I don't know how to communicate with anybody. This is my last charge. And probably there won't be any warm food, coffee, or shower, anything for God knows how many days. The houses are fine as far as I can see, but the backyard is completely wrecked. All these trees that they were here for 100 years, they're gone now. It's all broken. Has to be rebuilt. It used to be really pretty till 2 days ago. I don't know where to begin, but it could have been worse. Fort Myers Beach was already underwater. Sanibel, Captiva, Naples, there are sharks swimming on these streets. I didn't get a bad flood, just a little bit of water coming in, but nothing too bad. There are a lot of, the wind was something that never experienced a fear like that. It never stopped. It never slowed down. It was probably the darkest day of my life. But luckily, no injury. And everything can be rebuilt. I don't know how many people died, but I hope not many. We got 4 citruses to plant last week, and now they're all broken apart. I don't know how to take this one out. There's lots of branches and limbs on it. Most of these power lines failed. There is only one left. Apparently 90% of people don't have power right now. So much destruction. Look what a Category 5 hurricane can do to your house. Look how much pressure. It's all broken and bent. And this is the color of my poop. They say it was the craziest hurricane in the past century and top 5 in the US history. It was blasting above 150 miles per hour for 12 hours. I'm so happy the house didn't get cracked or small damages on the roof, which is not a big deal. But everything else outside is pretty much got messed up. I couldn't sleep last night properly because my dog has diarrhea. All night I've been in a tiny home cleaning runny poop and smelling that. So it was a full test. So second day after hurricane, I really need coffee. This is how I'm making it. Luckily there is no shortage of letters, and they're gonna make me coffee. It's gonna look tasty. And then here's my bottle. Still have water. It's gonna smell not that great, but it is what it is. Day 3 after the hurricane. I already cleaned up a lot. The driveway is clean. And here is my backyard. Cleaned it up a lot. Probably I took this driveway walking maybe 200, 300 times. Taking the leaves out there, just all piled up. I don't know when they're gonna come in and pick them up, but all people are working now. So my dog is not feeling okay. His stomach is a mess after 48 hours. I'm really worried about it. So I'm making some meat and rice for him. Hopefully he's gonna feel better. Doesn't look bad already. I fell in love with this house because of the vegetations in the backyard of it. Now it's gone. It's like a war zone. But I decided to rebuild this. I decided to regrow the backyard, clean it up, make it beautiful again. It takes time. Super happy about this. Finally, the next listing is live, which is in our place in Fort Myers. Kind of sad. We're publishing it when everything went down after Hurricane Ian, but we got the place and house to a good place that we can be happy with publishing it. A lot of work to be done in the backyard to make it as it was, but I think we can get it started. So what time is it? Somewhere around 1:32 a.m. I'm down in my, I don't know, had a bunch of beers, so I still have energy, but super happy. Finally we're live. So what day is it? It's Wednesday.
Okay.
Exactly last week this time Hurricane Ian started. Now see what happened.
Yeah, that bush you guys see.
Nothing happened. Just some trees are gone. And then this is the driveway, nice and clean. New citrus trees, all happy, ready to be planted. Obviously a lot of trees are broken here, but what do you think? Not bad, huh?
No, it's not bad.
Our irrigation is completely fine. It's all working. Well, let me show you the hard working of what was here is there now. It's a beautiful day, huh?
Yeah. We have another surprise.
What's the other surprise?
Well, our house is in Airbnb.
We posted it last time. It's published. Go book it. So here's the pile. Yeah, pile of trees. Goes on and on. And this side, the whole neighborhood worked so hard to get these piles. It looks good, huh? Look how nice that is. Yeah, don't worry about hurricanes. They can recover. So what's the update now?
So obviously we're so excited to have this house live, but we have decided also to not rent it out right away in Airbnb and just give it to people that have a need, because the entire Fort Myers beach is gone, as you guys definitely know. So we're gonna rent this house to just a couple that lost their house for a month. Obviously it's gonna be 1/4 of the price of the money that we were planning to make, but we're so excited to help one couple instead of renting it out.
So last week, this time, I wasn't sure if this house is gonna be here, but
We made
surprise, it is, and not much damage to the house, just vegetations. We already ordered some plants, flowers, fruit trees, bunch of other trees that the shipment will arrive end of this week. We're gonna plant them. We got some palm trees. We're gonna plant them all. Just create a little more privacy around our house and make it beautiful as it was. Soon, I guess we're gonna share how it's gonna do in Airbnb and.
Before that, we're gonna have a separate video for the home tour. All
Oh
the
yeah,
details,
let's do a home
where we
tour.
buy our stuff, because we have some house hacks that you guys definitely will appreciate or would like to know, especially about the decorations and all kind of cute, crazy lights and the sofas and small decors. We have our new place to go buy them or order
Yeah,
them.
yeah. Let's do a.
We'll do a house
we'll do
tour
a
for you.
tour.
And
It was all full. We see this was all beautiful bushes and vegetation behind us, and it's
full.
all gone. That's all it left. So, and but yeah, we'll continue showing you what's the next update for this house, and then what's the next project. The next project is already getting started.
Yeah, we have already started looking at some new listings.
So I tell you this, category 5 hits us, that is 1 in 500 years. We're getting started a week after
100
that.
years.
Trust me, we can make anything possible if we put our mind to it.
Yeah.
That's all I'm thinking.
Just guys, don't give up. Keep chasing your dream. That's what's important.
And go to Boston if if hurricane is chasing you. Joking. All right. Thanks for watching, guys.
Bye.
Bye.